subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Oppo Mobile on Tuesday has sent out invites for a launch event in Mumbai that will witness the unveiling of the company's latest Oppo F7 smartphone on March 26th. The new handset will be a successor to the Oppo F5 launched last year, as Oppo seems to have skipped the F6 branding. According to the invite, the Oppo F7 will get certain artificial intelligence features and will be announced in the presence of 3 Indian cricketers, namely Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandey and Ravichandran Ashwin, which was revealed through the brand's Twitter handle. Last week, in a teaser, Oppo had hinted that this upcoming smartphone would feature a bezel-less display with an iPhone X type no touch on the top. Interestingly, the teaser reveals that the Oppo F7 looks similar to the leaked Oppo R15 with a display cutout seen on both. So, what do you guys think of the Oppo F7 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSole blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.